Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that you made almost $200 overnight. This isn't a dream. This is the reality of using AI to build income streams in 2025. With powerful tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Midjourney, you can create assets that work for you 24/7. In this video, I'm revealing 5 AI side hustles that actually pay you while you sleep. If you want to learn how to generate real income using artificial intelligence, you're in the right place. I post weekly videos breaking down the latest AI side hustles and showing you step-by-step how to get started. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. We're going to cover everything from digital templates and YouTube automation to full-blown AI-powered businesses. Ready? Let's begin. Coming in at number 5, we have AI-powered template packs. Think about social media graphics, digital planners, resume templates, or YouTube thumbnails. People are always looking for these, and you can create them in minutes using AI. Head over to Canva, which has a ton of pre-made designs you can customize. The real magic happens when you use ChatGPT to generate the ideas and the text for these templates. For example, you can ask it for 50 motivational quotes for social media posts, or a weekly planner layout for busy professionals. I does the heavy lifting. Once you have a pack of templates, you upload them as a digital product to marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad. These are evergreen products. You create them once, and they can sell over and over again, earning you passive income around the clock. It has a fantastic beginner-friendly side hustle that can realistically bring in anywhere from $300 to $2,000 a month once you build up your store. Next up, at number 4, is Faceless YouTube automation. If you hate being on camera but love the idea of YouTube income, this is for you. With AI, you can automate almost the entire video creation process without ever showing your face. It starts with ChatGPT, where you can generate video ideas and entire scripts in popular niches like history, finance, or psychology. Then, you can use an AI voice generator like ElevenLabs to create a realistic, human-sounding voiceover for your script for editing. Tools like CapCut or Descript can automatically add captions, find relevant stock footage, and even edit the video based on your text. This creates multiple income streams for you. Add revenue from YouTube, affiliate commissions from products you mention in your descriptions, and sales of your own digital products. A quick word of caution: always aim to create original, valuable content. Don't just copy others. The more unique you are, the faster your channel will grow and the more sustainable your income will be. At number 3, we have AI books and mini courses. You don't need to be a professional writer or an expert anymore. You can use AI to create and sell valuable digital books on platforms like Amazon KDP. Start by asking ChatGPT to outline a short, helpful book in a specific niche. Think things like a children's story, a guide to container gardening, or a 30-day fitness planner. The key is to keep it short and niche-focused. These sell the best. Once you have the text, you can use Canva's book cover and mock-up generators to create a professional-looking product in minutes. Then, you simply upload it to Amazon's Kindle Direct publishing platform. Amazon handles the sales, the delivery, and the customer service. All you have to do is collect the royalties. Every time someone downloads your book, you get paid. With a few successful niche books, you could be looking at a potential of $500 to $4,000 a month in passive income. Side hustle number 2 is for those who want a high-ticket, recurring income stream. AI automation services for local businesses. Small businesses like dentists, gyms, salons, and restaurants are amazing at what they do, but they're often terrible at marketing and admin tasks. That's where you come in. You can use no-code tools like Zapier or Make, combined with ChatGPT, to build simple automations for them. Think about setting up an automated system that sends appointment reminders via text, or one that follows up with new leads via email. You can use ChatGPT to help you design the workflow and even write the email copy. You set it up once for the business, and they pay you a monthly retainer to keep it running. This is incredibly valuable for them because it saves them time and makes them more money. Landing just 5 clients at $400 a month is $2,000 in recurring revenue for a service you barely have to touch after the initial setup. And now, the number 1 AI side hustle that can truly change your financial future: building and monetizing high-powered niche websites. This is the ultimate passive income machine. You pick a niche, Interested in, let's say, eco-friendly pet products? You use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate dozens of high-quality, SEO-optimized articles for your website. You're not just creating content, you're creating a valuable online asset. Using tools like Surfer SEO, you can ensure your articles are perfectly optimized to rank on the first page of Google. More traffic means more money. You monetize the site through display ads, affiliate marketing where you recommend products and earn a commission, and even sponsored posts. The income potential is huge. But here's the best part. After about a year or two, you can sell that website on a marketplace like Flippa for a massive payout, often 20 to 30 times its monthly profit. A site earning $3,000 a month could sell for $90,000. So there you have it, 5 powerful AI side hustles that can generate income while you sleep. The most important step is to pick one and start today. Don't try to do all 5 at once. Focus your energy and learn as you go. If you want more detailed guides on how to start each of these hustles, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. I post new AI income videos every single week. Check out my AI Side Hustles playlist next for even more ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.